Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about how the email analysis done in SOC workflow, and mainly in email analysis we have 6 to 7 steps, that is like initial trigger, header and sender analysis, content analysis, web and URL analysis, and attachment analysis, and like defense and reporting. This is the workflow of the email analysis. First, we will the email should be reported. After that, the initial trigger, we will go for initial trigger. After that, we'll see sender and headers presented in email. After that, we'll go for content plus URLs. After that, attachments. After that, defense and content. At the last stage, we will go for documentation and report. In initial trigger, our goal is to quickly determine whether the mail is suspicious or not. Here we will check for sender, subject and recipient, and timestamp and user report. In header and sender analysis, uh, like we will analyze the from address, return path and reply address in email, and we will trace the IP address also. Here we'll use different tools we will see in practical. After that, in content analysis, the body of the message will see, look for like impressions, fake branding, or urgency or any credential requests we will see. And web and URL analysis. Here we will see if any links are presented, the presented links are suspicious or not. We'll see about it. In attachment analysis, we analyze the attachment in the isolated environment, like file names, extensions, MIME types, size and hashes. Defense, the block malicious URLs, domain names, and file hashes will be monitored. At the last stage, we'll configure it and record the incident ID, sender, recipient, and all the information should be stored in a document, and we'll make a document and we'll send to the L2. Now we will see practically how actually email analysis done. Okay, here I'm using Ubuntu Linux here, and I'm having some suspicious mails here like sample.1 email and sample.1. There are 3 emails here. We'll look into first one. Here I'm using Sublime Texter. By using this tool, we can extract the all information presented in the email. Okay. First here we'll see about headers. These are the multiple headers we got in this mail. See here, these are the multiple headers we got, and here we having from address. This is a from address, and this is a date of the email, and message ID we having. After that, subject. The subject of the mail is that your bank account has been blocked due to the unusual activities. Here we having two address. This is the two address and replay address and return path. These are the information given, and we having sender IP also. This is a sender IP, and that's it. Now we'll go for header analysis as well. For header analysis, we're having one free open source tool, that is IANA tool. We'll see about it. We're having another tool called message header analysis here. We'll go with these tools. Just we are copy pasting the whole whole content here, and we will analyze the headers. See here, the subject is your bank account has been blocked due to the unusual activity. These are the information this tool extracted and given here. This is the red flags we are seeing here. We have source header, unknown file fields we are having. See, this is the error they given, like the X Microsoft anti-spam. By seeing this header analysis, we know that this mail is suspicious here. This is the first step. I confirm that in by doing header analysis. We confirm that this mail is suspicious. After this, we will see about from and to address and date also. This is the date the mail is sent to the recipient. This is the from address we will observe here from like alerts.cache.com. This is the to address, and this is the return path address. Uh, if you observe here clearly, in normal mail, actually what we will observe, the always the reply path should be same to the from address. Like we have here alert dot com we have. It should be like from address and return path should be same. Here they given two different paths. For reply, they given other path. By seeing this, we can guess that this mail is suspicious. Okay, this is the one thing. We can go with the content examination, and we'll look for IP address also. This is the sender IP. Just we'll copy this IP and this tool called whois.com. This by using this tool, you can see from can investigate about the IP address. See here, this is the information about the IP address. The actual IP address is this is the abuse.portal.cache. If you see here, this IP address is fake IP address. Seeing this also, we can confirm that this mail is suspicious. In this video up to here is enough. In next video, we'll see about attachment analysis and defense measurements. And last, we'll make uh, uh, documentation for this email. Okay.